selecting a MEWP for any application, what should always be the primary consideration? Select the best answer. Which of the following must be performed or confirmed prior to operation? Select all that apply, and then click the Submit button. In this module of the MEWP Supervisor Training Program, Proper MEWP Selection, you have learned the factors to consider to help you guide operators to select the most appropriate MEWP equipment to perform the work. In the next module, Agencies, Regulations, and Requirements, you will learn the regulations and standards that govern the manufacture and use of MEWPs and the training requirements for MEWP operators and supervisors.